Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Rocket League for free on your PC or laptop, guys. Before we start, don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for us. Okay, first of all, make sure that you have got Epic Games account because we need to use Epic Games Store to download the game for free. Go to the epicgames.com, create an account and log into your account. So once you log in, then you can download the client on your PC, guys. Just click this download button on the top right corner and install Epic Games into your device. So once you will do it, then you can get the Rocket League for free onto your device. Just go to the search bar and type Rocket League and click on the game. When you open this page, you can see that this game is totally free. You need to click the get button right here, and once you will get this game for free, then you can download it and install it into your device. So that's all. That's the tutorial how you can get this game for free. If this video was helpful, don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.